Hello friend, welcome to QGIS World. In this lecture, we are going to learn what DEM Digital Elevation Model is that we use in GIS. Basically, all the projects which rely on terrain data will need a DEM in any way. It has a wide range of application. For example, a geologist may use a DEM to find out lineaments in the topography, or maybe to know the slope aspect nature, or to get the concept of geomorphology of certain area. A hydrologist may use a DEM to generate a stream map, or TWI map, or flow accumulation map. A civil engineer may need a DEM for cut and fill volume calculation for drainage management. Even for continuous monitoring of ground movement, DEM is used by several researchers and professionals for several studies. So, what actually is DEM? What data it holds and what are its fundamentals? This question goes to every individual during the preliminary use of this data. So, let's explore this. DEM Digital Elevation Model is a data set representing a terrain surface defined by point or grid cell with values of x, y, and z. X and y represent latitude and longitude location references, whereas z represent elevation. The DEM characterized by point spacing is a vector DEM, and the DEM characterized by grid cell is a raster DEM. The resolution of DEM refers to the size of the grid cell, or point spacing gap. The smaller size of the cell or high density of point represent high resolution DEM. A cell size of 5 by 5 meter is often termed as 5 meter DEM. DEM is often described as DTM, Digital Terrain Model, whereas individual cell represent bare earth surface only, and DSM, Digital Surface Model, where the individual cell may also represent building and vegetation feature according to the surface condition, as you can see in the picture. It depends upon the objective which to choose. A geologist may choose DTM to get the information on the slope and aspect of the terrain, whereas a sociologist may use a DSM for urban settlement trend information. Generally, raster DEM are widely used for topography analysis of the particular spatial area. So, let's talk about raster DEM. Raster DEM are comprised of numerous cells. A cell is fundamentally square where north to south and east to west length of the cell is equal. The individual cell consists of certain value called digital number, which represent the surface elevation above sea level. Each cell covers a certain spatial area of topography with the value of elevation. So, after combination of all these individual cells, we get digital form of the topography or DEM, Digital Elevation Model, which we can later use in any sort of map we need regarding the terrain information. So this is all about DEM. Friend, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have many videos in the channel where we use DEM for many purposes. You can watch and follow the step to be more familiar with DEM. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for the latest upload. Thank you. Have a good time.